Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. And wasn't really planning on doing this one today, especially with all the drama and such that's surrounding it. But then all of a sudden, I mean, there's just some very well-defined areas, and it becomes a situation where it's okay, is there a move that's going to happen? And I get it. Oh, this thing is, illegal. It's like a good old-fashioned real-life soap opera. But from just knocking all that aside and looking at things from strictly a technical point of view, and this is a level that is not some sort of great discovery on my part, but 225, just from strictly the technical point of view, especially after today's price movement where we got two more data points that show, actually three, I mean, that one didn't quite hit it, but still got within the vicinity of it. That's really showing that if the price can break up through that area, technically speaking, that's a pretty firm, that's a pretty big area of resistance. And when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very, very big price movements. And that's what we have here. So if the price gets up to this area, breaks through it, let me really reiterate, there are no such thing as a guarantee. So I'm not saying this is guaranteed to happen. My core point here is it's a rational thought to have. That thought being that if the price can break up through 225, it's reasonable to think that that could create a whole bunch of buying pressure just because. Why? Well, just because there's some level on a chart that broke. Again, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. And that could definitely create a very nice breakout trade. Now, I'm not saying you would, throw this into your kids' college tuition, retirement fund or anything like that. But yeah, from a trading standpoint, a break at 225 could definitely get interesting. Down here at $1.75-ish, still continues to hold strong. Earlier on in the day, got, down around that area, but once again, that area held. So there's going to be a lot of people watching that. But like I said, I think the main level, and really the only reason I'm doing this video is because I think this 225 mark presents a very interesting scenario here moving forward. So we'll see if the price can break above it. And if so, does that, create that just much more buying pressure? We'll see what happens on Thursday and Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.